talks about the various challenges India faces to improve is their governance. And the problem that they face is that the accountability of the politicians to the voters is very weak. There are many factors that affect the electoral outcome, and there is very little incentive, even if a politician means well to do something good for the community or people, there are very little incentives to improve the services. Secondly, the citizens are not organized to demand better services. The whole idea of winning elections nowadays, mostly, is about not improving services but to control offices and jobs. Government is also very blurred, since it's a regulator of services and also a provider of services. And now if in a cricket match, if the umpire also starts fielding, then obviously there'll be very less scope for any incentive for any one of them to win, if the umpire is also played. So similarly here, the state is also having a role in providing the service and also regulating the services. It tends to be a problem for proper delivery.
Amount of people who are invisible, who our government is not, what we are doing is making malls. Just behind the school there's Jamshedpur. The condition there's no dustbin, it's in a pathetic condition. I use the word pathetic here. And just opposite is a metro. And what people see is what people would see is just the metro thing, but
and not the
we are spending crores of money for Commonwealth Games just to show our national prestige or whatever.
Our national prestige, honestly, even the Commonwealth Games are not.
Cost? Yeah, that amount of money, the huge amount of money could be spent on more important stuff like educational facilities. Health facilities.
Don't have proper equipment, electricity.
This is a private school.
Yeah, but we have electricity, we have
but India does
teachers.
We don't have quality teachers. We have quality teachers, but
government
schools don't have quality. There is this very low attendance, as in what my paper talks about is about the education reforms also. There is either there are too many children and there's one teacher, or there
are too many teachers and
there are
never any teachers. If there are
no teachers. There is one teacher or there is no teacher. That is what happens. There are very low attendance. Obviously, I am not exactly blaming the teachers for the low attendance. That it is their fault, partly. But also the fault that if you have just one classroom, you have over 60 students. How are you going to teach them? The government needs to provide, obviously, even they're not paid well and stuff like that.
If we keep blaming the government for this, I mean, how many of us honestly would go for a government job right now as a teacher?
Definitely, that's what I'm saying. Yes,
in these times,
now they would. How many? Honestly,
now since
there's a great need to improve the standard. Most of us would not opt to be teachers.
A government teacher, okay, acceptable, but a teacher in the government school, I really don't think many of us would opt for that.
A lot of people would opt because it's a very convenient
Many people
job.
like Annie will definitely.
No, you have all the security in the world, and then you have security.
Then a government job
you
gets
get proxies for it, and you don't even need to go to some of the schools.
See, that's
the attitude.
That's the whole point. But we're talking about quality teachers. We're talking about improving the education standards.
Improving our own standards and our.
But India does have plans to increase the number of universities.
If you don't have a basic primary education, how are you
plans and implementation plans? Even I have like huge plans of going out and studying and this and that.
See, the government has opened government schools. It is trying to improve it. See, it is difficult for the government also to go and check
I'm sure it's difficult.
Definitely, we're not blaming the government.
They cannot go to each and every village and put in attendance every day for each and every teacher.
Why can't they?
They should actually.
You know how many people there are in our country?
The person the problem in our country is the person who will be appointed to go and take the
government
will also lie away. He will just take a private.
Okay, better government. But yes, in fact, the whole point, it is actually, I feel that it comes down to the whole key factor of governments, because then you see it's stemming out.
Why don't you decentralize? That is one of the problems also. Decentralization will solve this problem so easily.
Count the number of people who are jobless right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Why can't they do that? I understand that is not what I'm trying trying to say, but if you cannot go on and blame the government. After
It
all,
just
we are
boils down
citizens of
to
India.
Yeah.
We should also have a citizen. We should
That's
be for
what
our
I'm
family.
saying.
I think me
People who
questioning here
take
is also
one second. People who take government jobs are citizens of India.
So why are they not attending? Why are they not?
That's
teaching?
what I'm saying.
That
You
is
are
what
just
we're
blaming
trying.
the government.
The government
Jia,
is
one thing
made
is
by
also-
the people of India. They consist the people of India. So they better work.
See,
See,
more or less, it's about the way our democracy is functioning.
Yeah.
It's not transparent. It's not the. It's like
I mean,
you have a disease in the democracy. Something of that.
corruption.
Yeah, exactly. And apart from that, also it's less of transparency, less of accountability. I think RTI is something that's the best thing that could have happened to India. It's just India is a young country. India is a young country. 60 years is not a huge thing when you think in terms of countries, and we have come a long way. No doubt, we have come a long way, but we still have a long way to go, long way to go, and we will work on it. The whole idea is about working on the issues that we know.
you know, as citizens of this country and as people who want to do something good, I know a few. I know a lot actually who work in the government and they want to do well. And they want to do well. They want to listen. But this is like, I mean, what? 5 out of
Billion.
thousands?
but what I was trying to say was ki what we have, we are spoiling that. Like we have the roads, we have
roads, excuse me. Our
wherever
roads
we have
last
okay,
a
like
grand total of 2
the
lanes.
roads. Why are you spoiling
I
those
just
things?
have one thing to say.
Yeah.
You know, we must actually, we shouldn't be satisfied. Instead, we should be questioning and questioning,
Always.
and being questioning
Always.
is also a part of democracy.
Definitely.
Yes.
So
Always
always
an
question,
integral
I
part,
do
that's
yeah,
the
because
main
I'm not
thing.
satisfied with the government is also very important.
Question.
That's the
question,
only
do
difference
not be
between monarchy
satisfied.
and a democracy. You have the freedom to ask anything you want to.
Yeah,
So
definitely, but you do
I
not
would
question
say that I'm not
anything.
satisfied with the government
Not
doing
everything.
city works over city works and not
Yeah,
and
you
not
can do that.
developing
Yeah,
Jammu.
so you can protest. Jab tak it does not
See,
harm.
doing
democracy
property.
does give you
So
that
I'm
power.
blaming the government and that's my right.
Definitely blame the government, but do not forget that the government consists of us also. If the citizens
By
are
saying
not taking
the
an
government
initiative, if the citizens are not taking an initiative, I really don't think the government will do anything. The government doesn't sit there because they choose to sit there, because we have made them sit there. We can
And
pull
at the
it
end
down
of the day-
anytime we want to.
Okay, please, it's too easy. All of this is too easy to say, and
It's not
practical
easy
life
to
is so
say.
difficult.
Agreed, Annie,
So
but
to
also
start saying, to start doing something, first start thinking, then say it, then start acting on it. So once we see this discussion we are having here, see the discussion we are having here, it's going to be put up, right? It's going to, many people are going to get affected. Many people are going to think about it. There might be a wide protest later. You never know.
Save electricity.
Yeah, I know. I
do
say
that.
that.
I do
don't.
that. I already do
I
that.
I will save electricity from now on.
think about it. Let's not
You
Do
want
something
to
good.
become the president of the India. She
No,
wants
I want to become the prime minister.
to
of
prime
India.
minister of the India.
Okay. Yeah.
But honestly, I want a very good education. After this, probably go abroad, but come back and increase the economy of our country.
I will.
And then how are you going to do that?
Get a job.